This scene shows how dependent modern civilization is on satellites. Communication, GPS, banking, internet, weather systems, and military defense all rely on orbital technology. A disruption in space can affect the entire planet instantly. Humans live daily life assuming technology is stable and permanent. This scene represents how fragile civilization actually is when invisible technological systems suddenly fail. Mass communication systems are humanity's primary way of spreading emergency information. Television and media become psychological stabilizers during global uncertainty. Governments and scientific organizations use emergency broadcasting to prevent chaos. Public awareness is the first defense during unexplained astronomical events. A simultaneous satellite signal disruption suggests an external electromagnetic or gravitational interference source. This is scientifically unusual because global satellite failures rarely occur at the same time naturally. Scientists monitor orbital systems continuously. Sudden disruptions in multiple satellite frequencies indicate intelligent or highly advanced interference rather than normal space weather. Modern phones depend on satellite synchronization, communication towers, and timing systems. Interference in orbital networks can collapse global communication chains. Light distortions may indicate gravitational lensing, space-time manipulation, or advanced propulsion systems far beyond human physics. Remote areas with low light pollution often become the first places where unusual aerial phenomena are visible clearly. Humans instinctively fear unknown aerial objects because the brain interprets unexplained movement as potential danger. The ships move silently and smoothly, implying propulsion systems that do not rely on combustion, jet engines, or aerodynamic lift. This suggests advanced energy manipulation technology. Children symbolize unbiased observation. Unlike adults influenced by politics or fear, children observe phenomena with curiosity and openness. Extreme acceleration without visible propulsion suggests inertial dampening or space-time distortion technology that bypasses known Newtonian mechanics. Scientific discovery begins with observation. Careful evidence collection is more important than emotional reaction during first contact events. Military and scientific satellites are designed to identify unknown aerial objects through thermal imaging, radar signatures, and orbital tracking systems. Humans react psychologically to uncertainty faster than to danger itself. Fear spreads globally through information networks before facts are fully understood. Scientific leadership relies on logic, pattern recognition, and evidence rather than emotional response during unprecedented events. The scientist understands humanity may be experiencing its first non-human intelligence encounter in recorded history. Planetary-scale threats require international cooperation. Alien contact would likely unify nations scientifically before politically. Defense systems prepare automatically during unknown threats. However, observing before attacking is scientifically safer against a technologically superior civilization. Mathematics is considered a universal language because physical laws remain constant across the universe. Prime numbers and repeating mathematical sequences are commonly proposed in SETI research as evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial communication. Aggressive reactions during first contact could trigger conflict. Scientific protocols recommend observation and communication before military escalation. Simple mathematical transmissions are likely the safest first contact method because they avoid language misunderstandings. The aliens recognize intentional communication patterns, proving intelligence and willingness to interact peacefully. Human psychology stabilizes once uncertainty decreases. Fear is strongest when intentions are unknown. Remote isolated locations reduce risk during first contact operations and allow controlled scientific observation. Non-aggressive body language reduces threat perception in both humans and unknown intelligent species. Visual communication using universal scientific imagery may bypass spoken language barriers. Displaying biology, ecosystems, and DNA demonstrates intelligence, biodiversity, and peaceful intentions. Translation systems begin identifying shared patterns between two intelligent communication methods. This represents the realization that humanity is not alone and that peaceful coexistence may be possible. The aliens avoid direct domination or interference, suggesting observational or diplomatic intentions rather than invasion. The signal disruption was likely an unintended side effect of the alien technology interacting with Earth's electromagnetic systems. First contact would psychologically unite humanity by shifting identity from nations to a shared planetary civilization. Scientific diplomacy prevented panic and conflict. Rational thinking became humanity's greatest survival tool. The message emphasizes that curiosity, cooperation, and communication are more powerful than fear. The universe is vast, and humanity may only be at the beginning of understanding intelligent life beyond Earth.